Fosi Audio has officially launched their first ever IEM. Now, the model we are looking at is the IM4. It's the company's latest product. It's the brand's first in-ear monitor with an aluminium shell. They have finally gone into the IEM market. They used to make DACs. They also make headphone amplifiers. That's what they've been known for all these years. So for them to finally get into the IEM business, I think it might be good for them long term. They might become very successful in the IEM business as well. Basically, so what's happening with this particular model is the fact that they have taken, at least from what they said, they have tuned this model to appeal to a lot of enthusiasts, not just like people that want only detail. If you like bass, you're going to like this model also, and it's coming with a 10mm beryllium coated diaphragm. And I love beryllium drivers. If you know me on this channel, I'm a big fan of beryllium earphones in general, because the bass they produce is fantastic. They have power, they have impact. I just love the bass of beryllium earphones in general. Now, what they actually did here is that they partnered it with an N52 dual magnetic system and a dual chamber acoustic housing. It has an open back construction. It makes the sound stage of the earphone very big. It's very much detailed and produces a very holographic sound stage. It's really good. And the one thing here is that it doesn't weigh too much. It's just around 7 grams in weight. It's very, very lightweight, even though it's an aluminum shell. It's really well taken care of in terms of the build. I think a lot of people will like it. And it ships with 3 sets of ear tips. There is the balanced ear tip, there is the bass ear tips, and there is the deep bass ear tips. It even has interchangeable aluminum and brass nozzles, so it will allow the user to fine tune it to their taste to get the best sound that they possibly can get, depending on what they like and what they will want. So look, it's feature packed. It's not expensive by any stretch. It is just $100 in terms of price tag. All the necessary information that you will need will be down below, especially where you can get it if you're interested in it. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.